Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. I didn't press those at the same, so let's try that again. There we go. And as you can see, you have a flash and then share and edit options, which are visible for a brief moment, at which point they will then disappear. Once the pop-up disappears, you can find the actual screenshot in your Photos application. So I'll open that up. And from here we can navigate to Library. And you should have a screenshot album, which there is one right over here, screenshots. And in here, obviously, you'll find screenshots that I have captured over the time. For me, this consists of just the single one that I have literally just captured, which you can tap on to view it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.